subscribe to Tech News and press the bell icon. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use TikTok after government ban. So that being said, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. On June 29, TikTok was banned by the government of India, and that left a drastic effect on many TikTok users, but you can still use it in this simple way. If you search in Google Play Store, you will not find the exact application because as per report, it was removed. Even if you have the application, you will not be able to use it because it is written no network connection. I have tried it using VPN, but that too didn't work out for me. But there is still a way you can use it. For this, you need to have a VPN connection. For VPN connection, just go to the Play Store and type Turbo VPN. This is one of my favorite VPN. Then go to the Chrome browser, then type TikTok. Then scroll down a little bit, then you will find the TikTok website. Then click there. Then there you go. Click on watch now. My network is a little slow. So that's it for today. If you like this video or if you get some help from this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.